Hi there, my name is Dr. Marissa May. I want to take a look at a dosage problem that I get asked a lot of questions about. So first of all, we're told that the recommended dosage is 736 milligrams every 6 hours, not to exceed 4 grams per day. So notice the milligrams, grams difference. A patient mistakenly takes double the dose at noon, then again at 6 a.m. Realizing the mistake, the patient takes only half the recommended dose at midnight, then half again at 6 a.m. How many grams was the patient over or under by for the 24-hour period? Then we're told to express our answer to the nearest tenth of a gram. Positive number if the patient exceeded the dose, the maximum dose, and a negative number if they were under the daily maximum dose. So I think because of the units difference, the first thing we need to do is to convert those milligrams to grams, because we want the final answer in grams. So I quickly did 736 milligrams is 0.736 grams, and I did that by dividing by 1,000. And then I want to organize my information in a chart. So I'm going to look at the time the dosage was taken, the amount they took, and then total how much have they taken altogether. So if we look first at noon, which was when the patient took the first dose, they did double the dose. So the recommended dose, remember, was 0.736 grams, and they took twice that. So if you use your calculator, you'll get 1.472 grams. Then at 6 p.m., they did the same thing. They took double the dose. So if you'll notice, now in our total column, we take the 1.472 from the noon time frame, and we have to add to it another 1.472 to give us 2.944. All right, remember, then at midnight, they decided to take half the dose. So at midnight, they took half of the recommended dose, so 0.5 for the half times 0.736 gave me 0.368. And now I'm going to add this to the 2.944 they already had in their system. So total, by midnight, they've taken 3.312. All right, finally, last dose was at 6 a.m. And again, remember they did the half. So I multiplied the 0.5 times the 0.736 to give me 0.368. And I'm going to add this 0.368 to the 3.312 they already had taken, to a total of taking 3.68. All right, so remember the max dose was 4 grams. So we're going to take our max dose minus our total amount. So our 4 grams minus our 3.68, that was the total they had taken, to give us 0.32 grams. Now remember, we wanted to express it to the nearest tenth. So my final answer is 0.3 grams. I hope this helps.